This is just some raw footage of my life that's going crazy. Okay, y'all? Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't come from my robe because I know I be wearing this robe. I don't know, but I know I do wear it a lot. So if you see me wearing it a lot, it's mine and I'm gonna wear it because it's comfortable. But I got some grand news. Some grand news, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. So as y'all can see, your girl did her thing, okay? She did her big one. She did her big one. My big one been done, yeah. Yeah, they've been hating on the kid for the longest. They've been hating on the kid for the longest. Hating on me? How you hating on me? Look at me. Yeah. What's up? What's tea? Like, people be hating. People been hating. And I got what I've been said I was gonna get. What I've been said I was gonna have. Period. I've been manifesting this. And I got it. Period. I got it. I'm gonna put the clips. I'm gonna put the clips in my papers. What I manifested. I'm telling y'all. Manifest, baby. You will get it. Keep going. No matter what happens to you, you're going to get it. I'm gonna insert a clip of me going through it before this happened. Hey y'all, this is just some raw footage of my life that's going crazy. Okay, y'all? It's like going crazy to come back to greatness. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna sit on my teacher. I don't know. You know how when you do the do and then the stuff coming out and stuff, you know. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, like, so I'm just trying to get my life together, y'all. I got a hotel because yeah, I just really don't want to talk about it like yet because, you know, it's so early and I'm gonna wait till I settle down and I get everything situated. But right now, I'm just at a hotel. I'm catching the sunlight. I'm getting that sun gaze going on. You already know because the sun definitely nourishes your body, right? And if you don't know, you better know. That's why a lot of y'all retarded because y'all sitting in the house on that phone. So, no. But yeah, y'all. So I just wanted to let y'all know this, you know. I don't know what video I'm gonna put this in, but I'm gonna put it in one of my videos. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So y'all, don't be distressed. Because at the end of the day, it's just a hump that you gotta get over. And once you get over that hump, you like, oh, I'm good now. I'm great. I'm good now. I'm great. I'm good. Okay, I'm walking away from the ring like, but yeah, as you can see, you know, your girl got her apartment. But the crazy part about it is, y'all didn't even know what the real tea is. Well, the first tea. The first tea of the manifestations. Baby, I'm gonna show y'all. You see her right there? That my car. That my car. Yes, the Nissan sign is off of it. So what? It was a used car. But at the end of the day, it's a car. And what people can say to me now? What can they say to me now? I got a car. I got my own place. What's tea? Like, I just want to know what y'all haters got to say. All that hating y'all did. All that shit y'all had to try to tell me not to do this, not to do this, not to make this decision, don't make that decision, don't do this, do it like that, do it like that. I'ma do it like Evooo do it. Yeah, and I did it and I got it done. Like, what's tea, y'all? Like, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. It's just like unbelievable to me, truly and honestly. It just don't seem real. It's real, but it just don't seem it. But it is real. It's happening right now. Right now, to me. Oh, y'all, I'm being lazy, so I just did something real lazy, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Y'all can't see me though. Don't talk about my outfit because I wore it to sleep. That's my front door. Okay, so. Oh, y'all. And I'm going to also show y'all what I made last night. First night, making dinner in my house. And that shit was fucking good, y'all. It was so good. I'm going to eat that shit for lunch today. That shit was fire. That shit was fire. Flames, baby. But let me insert the clip. Alright, y'all, so I feel like ain't nothing else to say. You know, I showed y'all the apartment. I showed y'all my food. I showed y'all my struggles. I showed y'all my car. I didn't show y'all the inside though. But you gonna see that later on in the clips. You know, I wasn't gonna do a big video on that because, you know, that's a big video that could have been done. But too much was going on at the time. I mean, I feel like it still could be done, but right now, I don't know. So. Alright, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Wait. One more time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification bell. so you can know when I post another video.